interview question which I was faced when I was a fresher. So this interview question is very easy. When I was a fresher, so I faced in like one of the startup company. So the interview has given one input like how are you? So what he wants, like he wants to print the first letter of this one, H1, H and A and Y. So basically it means to print the first letter of a word. So for this one, just the approach we can do. So first we need to think like how we can print the H. So if you see here, how we can print the H. So if you look at this diagram, you are able to see this one. Like if I is equal to 0, we can print H. Simple. Another thing what we need to check two condition window. This index should not equals to what we say any space. That is a condition. These two condition we need to check. Like how we can write this condition for this one. Simple is there. Like if I is equal to 0 and ch of our I not equals to space. If you check this condition, definitely it will print H, right? So just I will show you like how we can print the H and how we can print the remaining this value. This one, this A, how we can print then this one, what we say, this Y. So some approach is very simple, like I will show you over here. So what first thing what we need to convert this to string array. S dot to char array. To char array we need to convert into like here something we need to convert for loop. I will do 0. I less than S dot length I plus. If I is equal to 0, and ch of y not equals to space. H. You can see we are able to print the H. So now our first aim is completed, like we are able to print this H. Now second task is like we need to print this A and Y. So same approach we need to use. Approach is simple. For this one what we can do, if you see here, like here one space is there, right? Here if you see one space is there, and here if you see here this character is there. So what we do, we will use one condition, like what we can do, if this character we say ch of I minus 1 is equal to space. we are checking like if this is equal to space, print this one. Like for example, 4 you can take. Okay, 4 is the index. So 4 here, 4 minus 3 is like 3. Yeah, sorry, 4 minus 1. We can get the 3. So we will check this 3 value is equal to space. Yes, it is equal. Print. So what we need to print? Print this I value. What is the I value? 4. Fourth. What we'll do? We'll print I value. Print I value. Here. Print. Print I value. I. CH of I. Here also same thing. We can check 8 minus 4. Here 8 is there. So 8 minus 1 is 7. This 7 value is equal to space. Is equal to space. Yes. Then we print this one. That's all. Here we need to write one condition. Or it's or CH of I minus 1 is equal to space. Save this, now run this one. We are able to see H, A, Y. That's all. Simple logic. Just if you see the logic, like for printing 0, we know I, and this condition we need to check not equal to space. Yes, correct. And other thing is simple. We need to check minus. We need to check, and we need to check if it is space. That's all. Here also we need to do same thing. We need to check like if it is space, then print this index. Simple. So this question definitely asks for the freshers. So it is very easy. Like you can able to get. Thanks.